Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best charcoal grills you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Charcoal grills provide you complete control over the cooking process, allowing you to create delectable dishes exactly how you want them every time. To get the ideal temperature, use as many coals as you'd like and arrange them wherever you'd like in the grill to create distinct cooking zones. Cook directly over the coals for a charred exterior, or move them to a cooler spot for a smoky flavor. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Original Kettle Premium 22-inch Charcoal Grill. Weber barbecues, both gas and charcoal, are well known. This model is an improvement over their original kettle, which we also recommend. The ash collector is the key difference. The original has an exposed plate, however this premium version has an enclosed container. Both, on the other hand, have a one-touch cleaning system that sweeps the ash out of the kettle's bottom. The coals are on top of a grate and the ash falls below. The premium grill's cooking grate includes 2 movable sides that allow you to add extra coal without having to lift the entire piece. It has additional heat protection below the handle on the lid, as well as tool pockets on the side handles. Weber offers cart-style barbecues with more shelves, premium versions with propane ignition, and tiny, portable grills that can be taken on the go, in addition to its original and premium lines, which come in a variety of sizes. On number 2, Gravity Series 560 Digital Charcoal Grill Plus Smoker. Masterbuilt is recognized for its electric and propane smokers, which come in a variety of styles. With the Gravity Series 560 Digital Charcoal Grill Plus Smoker, you can now smoke and grill everything in one device. While a fan circulates the hot air into the grill, feed charcoal into the hopper for 12 hours of cooking time. Smoking can also be done with wood chips. The grill will sustain temperatures between 225 degrees Fahrenheit for long and slow smoking and 700 degrees Fahrenheit for searing when it is turned on, all of which are regulated by a computerized temperature panel. Dual-sided cast iron grates can be used for grilling or smoking on the barbecue. It also comes with a meat temperature probe and can be linked to an app that allows you to monitor and change the temperature from afar. On number 1, Rambler Tabletop Charcoal Grill. This grill is ideal if you currently own a gas barbecue but occasionally crave the flavor of charcoal. It's also suitable for those with limited room or who only grill once in a while. Oklahoma Joe's Rambler has 2 wide handles and a compact yet solid footprint, making it easy to move around. It comes with a tool that allows you to lift the hot grates during cooking, so you may add more coal as needed. It also includes a removable charcoal tray that can be adjusted while cooking. This grill got great sear marks on chicken and kept the temperature stable during our tests. After cooking, it was very simple to clean. So guys, this was the video about the best charcoal grills. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.